Gotta line them up a little better, but for now. Thing's gonna grip the road like a motherfucker. I'm doing this side now. I got the back in though. Not much space there. I'm gonna gull wing this door though in the near future. I have to take the interior part off for now. Right to about there. Yeah, that's why these gotta get gull winged after. It only opens it about halfway the door. Stupid thing. Next project, gull winging the door. That's gonna be fun. Might do that in the springtime though, when it's warmer outside, to have the door off for a couple days while I'm killing myself trying to do it. Shit. Anyway, I gotta put that front flare on and I could stand back and have a look for a while. Okay, I got one side of the headlight covers done. I'll do this side next. I wanted to bring it out and have a look. And she looks good. Plus I did this part, hard to tell, but I painted this thing. And inside there it's all black. Got it done. Both headlight covers. She sounds good. Beast. My paint up there. And I might do this hood too today, we'll see. But I'm glad these are done. She be badass. Clean up, put these flares on, put these headlight covers. Got some tinted acrylic. Threw some silver clear coat, but just experimenting anyway for the fun of it. Probably gonna paint over that. Cleaned it up though, looks pretty good.